BCG matrix. BCG stands for Boston Consulting Group. You can also call it Growth Share Matrix, Boston Box, or Product Portfolio Matrix. BCG matrix is a 2 by 2 matrix which depends on two factors, which you can see on the X and Y axis. On the X axis, we have relative market share, and on the Y axis, we have business growth rate. When we divide relative market share and business growth rate into high and low, we get this four-celled matrix, which is used as a tool to analyze business unit or product line from the same corporation. Let's look at these four quadrants in more detail. Question mark. New products of an established company or startups usually start off as question marks. These businesses operate at low market share in a high-growing market. They consume large amount of investment and are potential stars. Stars are products or business units with high market share in a fast-growing market. They are the potential market leaders. Stars require a good amount of investment in order to maintain their growth rate, but they also generate large amount of cash, so it's totally worth it. Eventually, after years of operating in the industry, market growth might decline and revenues stagnate. At this stage, stars are likely to transform into cash cow. They still have a large relative market share in a stagnating market. The market slowly witnesses a downward trend in the growth rate, just like how a cow is milked, these products are milked. Because of the low growth rate and because these products are well established, they require very less investment and gain huge profit. Now, when the relative market share also declines, the business unit is considered as dogs. These units generally break even and generate barely enough cash to maintain the business's market share. Ideally, this is how a business unit would want to move. Start off as question mark, want to become potential market leaders, slowly become cash cow, and use the profits generated by the cash cow in the question mark and star products. The dogs are usually divested. BCG matrix also has a strong connection with product life cycle. The question mark represent products or SBUs that are in the introduction phase. This is when new products are launched in the market. Stars are business unit or products in their growth phase. This is when sales are increasing at their fastest rate. Cash cows are in the maturity phase, when sales are near their highest, but the rate of growth is slowing down due to saturation in the market. And dogs are in the decline phase, the final stage of the cycle when sales begin to fall. This was all about BCG matrix in simple words.